Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful eyeshadow look. It was actually requested by my sister Melanie. She seen it yesterday. I had posted a video and a lot of people liked it, so I thought that I would record this video to show you guys how to get this look. So that being said, if you like to see how to get this look, just keep watching. So this video was actually requested by my sister. I did an eyeshadow look yesterday and she loved it so much that she asked me to recreate it for you guys. So I already have my foundation and everything else on. So this is just an eyeshadow look. And I'm going to be using this palette, which is the Clay Play palette by Tarte. This is what she looks like. I use it all the time on my channel. And then for the crease shade, I'm actually using the bronzer I used. If you don't have this, you can use any bronzer. This is the Tarte Cosmetics bronzing palette. It's like a trio thing. So what I do is I just start and I put the bronze shade in the crease and I just use like a windshield motion, and I don't bring it all the way to the corner. Like with this look, I just brought it like about halfway up. Just make sure you blend it really well. Like right there, it's a little harsh there. So I'm going in a circular motion. And the bronzer will just add some warmth and it'll help to blend the other color that I put on. So pretty simple. And I did get some Bellamy hair extensions. That's what I'm wearing. I will do a video on these hair extensions very soon. Hopefully I can record it today. But I love these hair extensions, which I've already owned another pair. They're dark brown and they don't match my hair anymore, but I still keep them in case I ever decide to go dark. But I always regret dyeing my hair dark. Okay, so as you can see, like I only took it halfway in, and that's good. So, getting into this palette. So I am going to start out with this shade at the very end right here, and I'm going to put that on the outer, so I lay it down right here, just on the very outer corner, and then I bring it in an upward motion in that windshield wiping motion. So I try to bring it just like kind of up. And this will make your eyes look super big when you do it. Like, cause normally like I go inwards, but this time I'm going like in an upward motion, like towards the top of my brow. And very light hands, hold it at the end of the barrel so that you get soft pressure, cause you don't want it to be too dark. You see? It makes your eyes look super big. And the same thing on this side. I'm going to get just like a small blending brush. This is my Morphe 506 brush. And I'm going to take that same shade and I'm just going to put this underneath my lash line. Go right here. And I'm going to bring this one all the way in. These eyeshadows are really good. They're really pigmented. Okay. I'm going to take that same color and I'm just going to bring it in just like slightly more, just right here, because I didn't quite fill this in enough. Because I want it to be pretty dark on this outside. Okay. And now I'm going to take this sand shade right in the middle, and I'm just going to rub my finger in it. And I'm going to just place it on my eyelid like so. And kind of use a dabbing motion. And I'm just going to bring it all the way to where I added that dark. Like that. Such a pretty shade. So this is like a really matted look. Like that. And then I'm going to take a flat brush, and this is my Morphe 432 brush, just like flat, and I'm going to wet it. I'm just using, you can use any setting spray. I'm using the In Beauty Projects setting spray just to wet it. I just kind of wipe off any extra. And I'm going to use this black shade, and I'm going to like line my eyelids with it. So I like to hold my eye to get the inner corner and just bring it in. So that is what it looks like so far. And then I'm going to take this smoke shade, like the one in the middle. Sorry, this is blinding. So I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner just to kind of darken this up just a little bit more. Really lightly, because I don't want it too much. Just trying to intensify that, because when I put my lashes on, it'll look really pretty. Super, super light hands. If you're not going to wear lashes, I wouldn't make it so dark. But when you wear lashes, you kind of want it to be a little darker, because it really brings out your eyes. Then I'm going to take a clean brush, a blending brush, and I'm going to go right on top of that just to kind of make sure that it's blended really well. See? Okay. Now I'm going to do my mascara. So for my mascara, I'm using my It Cosmetics mascara. I'm going to put a coat on this on, a coat of this on. Okay, and then I'm going to, before I put on my bottom mascara, I'm going to take this pencil brush again, the Morphe 506 brush, and I'm going to take that dark shade that I used to darken it up, and I'm going to bring it halfway in on my bottom lash, just to kind of smoke that out a little bit more. It'll just really, really open your eyes. Like, this is a really beautiful look to make your eyes look big. Taking my black mascara, and I'm going to put it on my bottom lashes. Okay, so that is what it looks like so far. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and start putting glue on my lashes. I am using my Lily lashes in Gaia. think that's how you say it. It's G-A-I-A, Gaia. I don't know. I always mispronounce everything, so there's that. Okay, so I wore these yesterday, so just cleaning off the glue before I put more glue on, because I ripped them off inside our car because they were irritating my eyes. I had put it too far in the inner corner, and so by the time it was nighttime, I was just ready to get them off. So I put the eyelash glue, and I just use, what is this, the Kiss, what is it, Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe, and it's in the color black. If I wear black eyeliner, I like to wear the black glue just because it doesn't leave that white cast. Like when you look down, you can see sometimes the clear one, you can still see it. Even though when it says it's clear, you can still see it. So I like to wear black because it hides a lot better. While this one's getting tacky, I'm going to start prepping the other lash. Okay, so this should be tacky enough. So I'm going to look down. You see how big of a difference eyelashes make. This looks so pretty. I like to try to pinch them on my regular lash. It keeps popping up. Okay. Hopefully it stays on. Okay. This one should be just about done. And I like to try to keep them more outer. I don't like to bring it all the way in just because it irritates your eyes. Like this one I had got too close to my inner rim, and they just like poke your eyes. So I always try to keep it on the outside, like just don't go all the way in with it. And it makes it a lot more comfortable where you can wear them all day without any problems. Oh my gosh, that looks so different. That is so crazy. It's amazing what lashes can do. Okay. So let me go ahead and push this back so I don't get it in my hair. So I'm going to look down, place it in the middle, and then connect the ends. This one does not want it to connect. I like it to be directly on the lash line. Like, it drives me crazy, like when one of the sides lift, and then you can tell that you're wearing false lashes because it doesn't look good. So just make sure you just keep making sure that it is close to your lash line as possible. Then I'm going to get my after this dries, I will get, I'll show you. Okay, now that this side is dried, I'm going to get that same black shade that I did for the eyeliner, and I'm just going to go on top of this just to make sure that it's really blended. You can see. Okay. I'm just going to take this brush and I'm going to blend that just a little bit more. I'm going to take a dark brown. This is Espresso and it's by Makeup Geek. It's a eyeliner and I need to sharpen it. And I'm going to go in my waterline, top and bottom. You can see the difference. Just made it look a little more smoky. And now I'm going to take my Hourglass stick in the shade Rose Gold Flash. Oh my gosh, did you just see that? Like literally came out. Like what the heck? That's crazy that it just came out like that. These things are so expensive. Okay, so I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is just a little angled brush, and I like to dip it in there, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner of my eyes. And then my brow bone. For my lips, I'm just going to use the Mix Cosmetics, I think that's what it is, lipstick, and this is in Peach Tea. I did get another one inside my boxycharm this month, but I'm not going to open it. I'm just probably going to do it, like give it away on a giveaway or something. And I get enough stuff together. Just because I don't really need another one. They pretty much look the same. And I have so many lipsticks. It's unreal. But it's a really pretty shade. So you can see, let me see. I'm trying to get it. You can see it's a really pretty shade, very neutral, and it's not going to add too much. But yes, this is the completed look. I love this look. I can see why my sister wanted me to recreate it because it is really pretty. Like everybody kept asking me like, where are you going? Are you going to a wedding or something? And I'm like, no, I just like to get pretty sometimes, you know, feel like a princess. Especially with this long hair, I really felt like a princess yesterday. So I hope you guys like this look. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. That being said, that completes this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. God bless.